In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Lyft Gift Card. Before you can pay with a Lyft Gift Card, you must first redeem it to your Lyft Cash balance. This is an essential step. Without redeeming, your gift card will not be usable. To start this process, open the Lyft app on your device. You will see the home screen with the option to request rides. Look for your profile icon, usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen. This icon represents your account and is an important gateway to your account settings. Once you tap on this icon, you will be taken to your account details where you can manage various preferences and settings. Next, tap on the payment option. Sometimes you may not see the gift card option right away. If that happens, don't worry. Simply tap on payment first, and this will take you to a screen where you can find the gift card icon. This is a crucial step, as accessing the gift card section is necessary to redeem your gift card. Once you have located the gift card icon, it's time to tap on it. This will bring up a new screen where you can enter your gift card details. You will need to enter your gift card code and the associated PIN. Be careful with this step. Any mistake in entering those numbers can lead to errors or delays. Double check to ensure you input the correct information. After you have entered the code and PIN, tap on the redeem button. This action is significant because it adds the balance from your gift card to your Lyft Cash. You will see a confirmation appear on the screen, reassuring you that the process was successful. Now that you have your Lyft Cash balance ready, you can pay with your gift card. To do this, simply request your ride as you normally would. This is where the convenience of using your gift card really shines. Lyft will automatically use your Lyft Cash, which now includes your gift card balance, to pay for eligible rides. It's important to know that this process is seamless, making your ride requests quick and easy. However, keep in mind that if your ride costs more than your remaining gift card balance, Lyft will charge the rest to your default payment method. This is a safeguard to ensure that you can always complete your ride even if your gift card balance runs low. Having a default payment method set up is crucial for this reason. Remember, a default payment method such as a credit or debit card is required even when using a Lyft gift card. This method may be used for tips, certain fees, or any amount that exceeds your gift card balance. It is wise to ensure your payment details are accurate and up to date. This will help avoid any interruptions or issues when requesting rides. In conclusion, redeeming your Lyft gift card and using it for rides is a straightforward process. By following these steps carefully, you can enjoy the convenience of paying with your gift card while ensuring your rides are covered. Thank you for watching and enjoy your rides with Lyft.